Okay, so the TV that was 20 years old in the van broke. I mean, it was original from 2004, so do the math. Actually, we knocked something into it when we moved. So I've just kind of been making it work, but then I accidentally changed the channel on it and can't see the screen to change it back to play on the DVD player. Then the DVD player quit. So I was fortunate enough to find this at a local thrift store. Sorry, it's upside down, but look at that. Built-in DVD player. It's not a smart TV, but it's pretty flat. And I ordered a $15 wall mount, cheapest one on Amazon there is. I had some thick washers. See how thick they are? It's a drywall screw. Those work. They work just as well. Okay. So I have this piece of wood. I'm not sure where it came from, but it stretches straight across where the opening is where the other TV was. And it goes all the way across. You can take a jigsaw and just make it fit, cut it so it fits the opening. And then I went ahead and attached the TV mount, and I put these two on. These are just L brackets, and these will go in and be attached on one side, and then I'll put them on the other side, but just want to do one side at a time. Just makes it easier. And yes, some of those poke out, but they don't touch anything in the back. There's nothing there but a bunch of wires that we don't even use anymore because they went to the Garmin, which also broke and I removed and haven't put anything there yet. So I went ahead and put the mount on here, and that's it lifted up. It does come with some little small zip ties, and what you would do if you want it to just be, I centered it so that the TV itself is gonna, once it's on here, it'll be right in the middle. And then you can take some zip ties and just go ahead and zip tie here, wherever, and that'll keep it from moving around. Hey, Jackson, man. And then, sorry, I got one hand here. So once that's in the van, the TV, I'll attach the TV. Well, I'll put the faceplate on first. The cabinet faceplate will not fit over the TV, so it's got to go on after the board. And then the TV will be on. And there is a plug that goes in the back and goes through the cabinet and plugs into a 12-volt auxiliary plug, like a cigarette lighter plug. And it only comes on when the van is on, so it's not going to run your battery down. And if you want to, you can